Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the UMAY Fitness Home Auto Folding Treadmill, a powerhouse of performance and convenience. This treadmill boasts a quiet, brushless motor with a maximum of 3.0 horsepower, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 8.7 miles per hour while maintaining a noise level between 40 to 65 decibels, so your workouts remain peaceful and undisturbing. With built-in pulse sensors on the handrails, you can easily monitor your heart rate in real time, ensuring each session is both effective and safe. The treadmill also offers 3 manual incline positions, letting you intensify your workouts by simulating uphill running, which targets and tones your leg muscles. Its innovative hydraulic folding system ensures a safe, hands-free unfolding experience, while the built-in transport wheels make moving and storing the treadmill a breeze. Maintenance is simplified with an easy self-lubrication hold, and with UMAY's dedicated California-based support team, you can rest assured that any questions or issues will be handled with exceptional care and expertise. Experience the perfect blend of technology, convenience, and support with the UMAY Fitness Treadmill, designed to elevate your home workout experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.